Welcome to Income in Shape. The channel shows you how to get your income in shape. If you ever use the software, the screen capturing software, Camtasia, then this video might help you out. If you ever have trouble figuring out how to put two or more clips together, or how you start your video from where you wanted to start without a bunch of blank space, this video will show you the magnetized feature in Camtasia and hopefully save you a bunch of time, so you can crank out more videos and more tutorials and get your content out there. All right, so we're in Camtasia. We created a new project, and I'm going to upload some media, which I've done right here. I'm going to drag it down to my timeline. There it is. Now, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to separate the audio and the video, which is you just right-click and then select the audio file, then delete for this purposes of this video. So here we are. We're in our timeline. I move this cursor around. Well, I don't want this guy looking like this, like he's clueless. And I could say that, by the way, because that's me. But if I scroll this up to like somewhere halfway decent, all right, there's a smile coming. All right, that's a good place to start, a friendly face. So I click on this track, make sure it's highlighted in yellow, hit Command-T if you're on a Mac, or Control-T, I'm pretty sure, if you're a Windows user. Then you highlight the section you want to delete and get rid of, hit delete, and there you go. The video starts here with this smiling face. But as you see, this is where the video actually starts, and you're going to have a bunch of black blank space until the video starts. So there's one of two ways to do it. The more cumbersome way is you click on this and you manually drag it over there. But I'm telling you, when you have a bunch of clips, when you're editing a lot, that gets to be dicey. You got clips going everywhere. It takes some dexterity to even do it. So that's one way to do it, but to me, that's not the best way to do it. So what you can do is right here on your track, this middle feature, I call it a horseshoe, but it's actually a magnet. And you'll see media on track will be magnetized. If it's pointing to the left, it's not magnetized. If you click it to where that horseshoe thing, that magnet is pointing to the right, that means magnetized is on. And lo and behold, at the beginning of your video, you have your clip. So we eliminated all that space. Of course, Control-Z undoes everything. Now you got the space again. And it's not magnetized, but if you want it magnetized, click on that and it brings it there. But it's super helpful when you're going through and you're editing a bunch of, you need to do a lot of edits on the same track, on the same timeline. So everything's looking good here so far. But there might be some other places, like, yeah, once I start talking with my hands, I might not like that. So I want to eliminate that section of the video. So again, Command-T on a Mac, scroll through here till hopefully I put my hands down. And now he's pointing, all kinds of stuff. Now he's giving signals, counting or something. Man, this guy talks with his hands a lot. But say if I wanted to bring it there. Oh, yeah, definitely. See how he rubs his face there? I don't want that either. So if I scrolled all the way through there, I click that. Make sure what you want to delete is highlighted in yellow. You do that. Long as this is pointing to the right, it means it's magnetized. So watch this. I delete that, and the clips are together. So if I start this from the beginning, everything flows sort of smoothly. And then if I pause it, grab this, pull it right here, because see, this is where your other clip is getting ready to be, where we edited it. But that's brought to you by the Magnetized feature in Camtasia. And again, it's right here in your track, the middle icon. Make sure the open end of that horseshoe or that magnet's pointing to the right, because that means it's magnetized. If I click on it, make it go left, you're going to have the gap in there, which is still important because there's some things you might insert in between, like a picture or something, but you might put something in between there. But if you don't want anything in between there, you want all your clips together, you make sure that's pointing to the right, that feature. Everything will be pretty seamless, hopefully, and flow pretty good, which saves you a bunch of time editing, and you can increase your productivity, hopefully produce more videos in the same amount of time. Let's get off of that. That wasn't the best picture either. So hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully you'll use this feature sometime if you use Camtasia a lot. And if you like this video, I appreciate it. Hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. That way you get the latest videos as soon as they are published. Take care.